The present tense in German is used to talk about what's happening now and about what's happening in the future. So all you need is the present tense and a past tense that we will take a look at later. Let's start with the regular present tense and then worry about the exceptions. It is all about the verb in the German language. And the verb is, for example, machen, to make or to do. And as you can see, I have colored it differently. Any verb in your dictionary can be separated into two parts, and that is stem and ending. And what is new in German maybe for you is that depending on the person that is addressed or talking, you use a different ending. And you can see that here, ich always ends in E, not ich ends in E. The verb for ich ends in an E. So ich mache, ich kaufe, ich spiele, ich sehe, ich esse. It always ends in an E. There's very few exceptions. We will take a look at these as well. But for now, that's all you need to know. And you can see here, du machst, es macht, wir machen, ihr macht, sie machen. These endings are all the same throughout German. Even in the past tense you will find most of these. So please learn them thoroughly and you will not have any trouble with this. Just one note here. I took S. Of course, S works identical to R and Z, but just for clarity reasons I have chosen only one, and this is S. There's a few specialties. I've started to write down a few special words here. Let's take a look. As you can see, arbeiten, which means to work, the stem of arbeiten ends in a T, which makes it a bit difficult in certain situations. For example here. Let's say I just took the ST from the do to that stem, arbeitst. It doesn't really work. So what we do is we add another E here just to be able to pronounce it. The same applies to arbeit. It wouldn't work to just add a T. We have to add another E here as well. The same here. Voila. So it might happen that you have to add an additional E, but in general these are the endings. Heißen is a bit special as well. Heißen, the stem, ends in an SZ or an S sound, could also be a Z or another simple S. And you see, in general that's no problem, except here you wouldn't add another S to an SZ, you just add the T because the S is included in the SZ. And that results in two similar forms for do and S. So, but you know, it's not that complicated, I hope. These things usually don't cause much trouble. Just that you know it. This is all you need to know about the regular present tense. There's not much else